The Emerge project was conceptualized and designed in a bid to promote active citizenship. Despite civic participation being the essential pillar of democracy and of vital importance to ensure that the rights, views and ideals of citizens are safeguarded and promoted, civic engagement still faces many social, educational and institutional challenges. To address that, the Emerge project put forward a comprehensive action plan to strengthen civil society and promote civic participation across the island. The initiative is driven by two organizations, Cardet and Komando Sinzepisu, under the Active Citizens Fund Cyprus program, funded by Iceland, Liechtenstein and Norway through the European Economic Area and Norway Grants 2014-2021. Cardet is the leading independent research and education center in Cyprus and one of the prominent ones in the Euro-Mediterranean region, dedicated to designing, developing and implementing innovative evidence-based approaches and resources to build up the competencies of individuals and communities to help alleviate social challenges. Komando Sinzepisu is an initiative of two highly experienced professionals with long-standing experience in international organizations, the media, communication and financial institutions that seek to promote financial literacy as a means to support and empower citizens to better understand how financial institutions and tools operate. And the results speak for themselves. The project launched its work with a large CSO networking event that served as an opportunity to both present its plan and objectives, but also bring together CSO practitioners and stakeholders to explore the potential of synergies, collaborations, and joint actions. With over 100 representatives of CSO organizations, practitioners and active citizens, two parallel series of informative workshops were carried out to target the needs of organizations and active citizens. The materials are now available online in English, Greek and Turkish to inspire and support the Cypriot community moving forward. The Emerge project has initiated a series of online webinars, outreach events and public consultations to connect public and authorities on a broad spectrum of pivotal issues ranging from inclusive democracy and civic participation to crucial aspects of financial literacy and its impact both on active citizenship as well as daily life management. The work of the initiative culminated in the final conference, Shaping Tomorrow, Enhancing Civic Participation in Cyprus, that was held on the 24th of February in Nicosia. Bringing together eminent speakers with long-standing expertise and experience in the field, the conference put forward interdisciplinary perspectives and ideas across the themes of participatory policy and decision-making, enabling environments for CSOs, understanding the role of youth in bringing about change, and exploring media in the era of truth decay to leave all the participants with the most important message. It's never too late to emerge as a change maker.